everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smudge, and for today's video, we're gonna talk about CoinGecko 10th year anniversary giveaway, guys. So this is the third week or third time na mag-release sila ng pag-giveaway. So this time it will be CoinGecko only, but two different NFT, may premium and normal NFT na pwede nyong makuha in this giveaway nila, guys. So here, pero yun nga lang, pag premium NFT, kailangan premium account yung inyong CoinGecko. But kung hindi, yung normal lang yung pwede yung ano. So limited lang din siya, guys. As you can see, for the premium, only 1,000 plus. So kailangan is mga premium user only. So you need to pay kung gusto nyo maging premium. So isa sa mga benefits kung naka-premium account kayo kay CoinGecko. But kung ayaw nyo naman, it's up to you, guys. It's okay. But you can get the normal NFT, guys. So these NFTs possible na in the future na magkaroon ng own token si CoinGecko. Pagiging isa siya sa mga requirements for eligibility para makakuha kayo ng free CoinGecko token, guys. Or in the future, kung may mga other tokens and nag-partnership si CoinGecko, possible din siya maging requirements. Kasi may mga ganyan, diba, sa mga NFTs, kung meron kang hold, for example, so pwede siya. Okay? So, para kayo maka-join, kailangan nyo ng candies. So, kailangan kayo everyday mag-redeem. So, very important yan, guys. But of course, nandito yung rules and regulations, instructions kung paano kayo maka-join dito sa kanilang pag-giveaway. But before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you always be updated to my upcoming videos and off-the-clock episodes. So kapag nakita nyo siya, guys, so weekly naman siya nakalagay. So may nakalagay naman na date kung hanggang kailan, then kinabukasan mag-start ulit yung ano, kung di pa matatapos. So i-redeem nyo kagad, kahit naman di nyo kagad siya gamitin, okay lang, basta within the span of the kung hanggang kailan. Okay? But kailangan siya ma-redeem kasi limited time and limited lang din yung kanyang kung ilan na yung makakakuha nito, guys. And nandito naman kung hanggang kailan. So until May 8th, guys. So kailangan nyo ng EVM wallet address. So kung may MetaMask kayo or other wallet na ginagamit, basta may EVM address, pwede nyo siyang gawin. So it's very easy, guys. So until April 31st. So dito naman yung kanyang terms and conditions. So wala lang kayong kailangan gawin. You need to submit your EVM address and that's it. So wala lang i-fill out or kung ilan yung nakalagay dito na limit lang. We don't know. Possible na madagdagan, possible na ito lang talaga. So hindi naman sinabi na for raffle. So dahil nga pang 10th year anniversary NFT nga to, and kung sino yung makasubmit, sila yung mabibigyan ng NFT neto. Either premium or the normal, or pwedeng both kung naka-premium kayo, guys. So yun may advantage kung naka-premium account kayo. And then yun nga lang, you need to pay per month or per year if you want to get a premium NFT kay CoinGecko. So now, hindi kasi pwedeng i-share yung code, nakalagay naman dyan na bawal yon. So kailangan nyo lang siya, as you can see, ayan, nasubmit ko lang. So ganun siya kadali. So once na use now, submit until the deadline, guys. Okay, so kung gusto nyo, kung naka-premium kayo, get nyo na rin to, guys. So naka 1,987 left. I think 2,000 lang siguro yung kanilang ipamimigay, but it depends sa kanila. Paminsan kasi nag-replenish sila, guys. It depends kung gaano ka in demand ito, guys. So kapag kaya gusto nyo mag-premium, so $8, 8.32 per month, or kapag kung per year na siya is 99.90 kung isang baksakan per year yung babayaran. So andyan naman yung makukuha yung benefits dito, kasama na exclusive CoinGecko Premium plus NFT, tapos ayan, other kayo na bahala mag explore. Okay, so gawin nyo na siya kasi super limited lang yung slots niya or yung ano nga, guys. So until next time, Goodbye.
Let me know.